Hello. This is my Dehancer review. I've been able to play around with this tool here for quite some time, and I wanted to give a review about it. I think it's super easy to use. I think it's way easier to use than having to figure out this color wheel. I'm quite new to DaVinci, but this color wheel makes it's really intimidating. So having a program like Dehancer is really good to use. So the way I like to use it is I go to effects and I go to adjustment clip. You can kind of just put it onto the timeline on top, and once you have that there, you're able to go to open FX. You can drag over the Dehancer plugin, and boom, right there, the color or the grade of the footage is different. And I really like all the options that are available. We have plenty of different color profiles to use. I haven't really found one that I use super often, but I just love that there's so much choice here. Eventually I'll get to a point where I'll learn more about color grading and figuring out which profile works for me the best, but I just wanted to go ahead and say how impressive it is to have all of these options ready to go whenever you need it. Like the fact that you can straight from Dehancer, you can change the exposure right from this one plugin. Everything that you need to change in in the footage, you can easily change it here, which is amazing. And over here you got all these different profiles that come with the program, and you can alter the push and pull of it. And then over here under film developer, we got contrast booster, color separation, color boost to really make your footage pop. I haven't really spent a lot of time to be able to figure out and dial in which grades I like best, but I just love the fact that you have so much option here with the expands and prints and everything. You even got film grain. If you want your stuff to look really grainy, you can really have a lot of options to play with, which is amazing. And there's just so much features and ease of use for using all of these. As a beginner, I am still learning more about how to effectively use this, but I do appreciate that it's here and you can use it however you'd like. Oh my god, yeah, that vignette looks so good. I keep forgetting to hit enabled. But yeah, we got input, film developer, film compression, expand, print, color head, film grain, halation, bloom, film damage, film breath. Oh my god, so many. Like everything just packed in this one plugin. And if you want to upgrade your color grading and make it a very easy workflow, definitely do recommend Dehancer. I think it's a great product. Definitely look into it if color grading is something that you want to work on with your videos. I know that's something I want to work on, but man, is it a great program to use. Definitely recommend checking it out. Well, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hope you can give Dehancer a try. They offer free trial subscriptions on their website. So, just lock it in, improve your color grading, and move on. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.